The patient is a 25-year-old male who was involved in a motor vehicle accident resulting in right arm amputation, cognitive deficits, and poor balance and postural reactions. The patient is asked to ambulate down the hallway. He maintains dynamic stability and a constant speed. Here, the patient is asked to ambulate while counting from 0 to 100. He ambulates with a wider base of support, increased lateral sway, and diminished balance when concurrently completing a simple cognitive task.
15.
The patient is now asked to ambulate while counting by fives from 0 to 100, and then from 100 to 0.
Now can you count up by fives?
The complexity of these dual tasks causes increased lateral sway, crossover steps, and variable gait speed.
30.
The level of assist while engaging in complex cognitive tasks increases to minimum assistance. Owing to decreased sustained attention, he required multiple rest breaks and took 52 minutes to complete the Berg Balance Scale. Here, he attempts to complete tandem stance. Note his decreased use of ankle strategy and increased use of hip strategy. He scored 40 out of 56 on the Berg Balance Scale. The patient performs the timed up and go test with and without a cognitive task. When a cognitive task is added, balance and speed decrease.
270.